Land takes a holistic approach to both the energy component and the vehicle design. Our battery packs are swappable, connected, and very powerful. Because the battery and vehicle are connected, they can be upgraded over the air even after purchase. We're not building a better version of a traditional gas motorcycle, we're forging our own unique path forward. Our vehicles are accessible, handcrafted in Cleveland, Ohio, and minimalist. We lean into what electrification is really good at, which is exploring your world. Land is also vertically integrated, from our IoT stack to our design and engineering. We manufacture everything in-house right here in Cleveland, Ohio. Cleveland made, global grade.